Hello and welcome to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. I'm Nazia from HoloWare, and today we are talking about one of the most exciting trends in computing, the rise of thin and light laptops. With the increasing demand for powerful yet portable devices, these laptops are changing the game for professionals, students, and casual users alike. Let's explore how these ultra portable machines are redefining our expectations of performance, design, and mobility. Let's get started. The surge in popularity of thin and light laptops isn't just a trend, it's a reflection of our evolving needs. The days of bulky, heavy laptops are behind us. Today, we are seeing laptops that offer the best of both worlds, incredible power and portability. Portability is the number one reason these laptops have become so popular. Whether you are a commuter, a traveler, or someone constantly on the move, these devices are the perfect fit. Their slim and lightweight design makes it easy to slip them into a backpack or briefcase so you're always ready to work, study, or play wherever you are. But don't let the slim profile fool you. These laptops are packed with power. With high performance processors like Intel Core i7 or i9 paired with dedicated graphics cards, they handle everything from video editing to 3D rendering and even gaming. You no longer need to choose between portability and performance. Thin and light laptops gives you both. Battery life is another area where these laptops excel. Thanks to energy efficient components and improved battery technology, many of these devices can last an entire workday on a single charge. No more searching for outlets or carrying around a bulky charger. You can stay productive and focused without interruptions. When it comes to performance, speed is everything. Modern thin and light laptops often come equipped with SSDs, which means lightning fast boot times and near instant application launches. Whether you are switching between apps or starting a new project, these laptops deliver a smooth and seamless experience. And let's not forget durability. Despite their lightweight design, many of these laptops are built with premium materials like aluminum and magnesium alloys. These materials offer a great balance of strength and lightness, ensuring your device can withstand daily wear and tear. The display quality is another standout feature. Thin and light laptops often come with stunning high resolution screens and thin bezels, giving you a more immersive viewing experience. Whether you're working on detailed designs or binge watching your favorite series, the vibrant colors and crisp details will never disappoint. Advanced cooling systems also play a major role in these laptops' performance. Even with powerful components, they stay cool and quiet, making them ideal for noise sensitive environments like libraries and coffee shops. What makes thin and light laptops truly versatile is their adaptability. Many of them feature two-in-one functionality, allowing you to flip or detach the screen, turning your laptop into a tablet. This added flexibility is perfect for those who need both a laptop and a tablet in one device. Aesthetic appeal is another reason thin and light laptops are so popular. Their sleek, modern design not only looks professional but also reflects sophistication and style, making them ideal for both work and personal use. Technological innovations have made these laptops even more powerful. Advances like miniaturization of components, SSDs, improved cooling systems, and high density batteries have made it possible to create laptops that are both thin and powerful. The use of materials like magnesium alloys and carbon fiber has helped reduce weight while maintaining strength. Looking ahead, we can expect even more breakthroughs in thin and light laptops technology as components become even smaller and more efficient. We will see laptops that are even lighter, more durable, and more powerful. These laptops are ready for the future, equipped with the latest connectivity options like Thunderbolt ports, Wi Fi 6, and even 5G support. At HoloWare, we are proud to offer a range of thin and light laptops that cater to every need, from everyday users to professionals requiring top tier performance. Whether you are a student, a business professional, or a creative, there's a laptop for you in our lineup. In conclusion, thin and light laptops offer an unbeatable combination of portability, performance, and power. And at HoloWare, we are excited to bring you the latest in these innovations, ensuring that our laptops meet the needs of today's fast paced mobile world. For more information or assistance, visit holoware.co or contact us at marketing@holoware.co. Thank you for tuning in to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. Stay connected, stay curious, and keep innovating. And until next time, this is Nazia signing off. Take care and keep exploring the world of tech with us.